Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your headphones JBL Tune 570. So, firstly you need to locate multifunctional button and multifunctional button located at the right ear cup between volume up and volume down buttons. And to call voice assistant, you need to press 2 times at this multifunctional button. 1, 2. And now I call Gemini. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, not Gemini. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!